Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys another SHEIN press-on nails tutorial. These really cute nails are only $1, so if you guys want to see how I do them, then just keep on watching. These are how my natural nails currently look, bare and boring, but we're going to be making our nails really cute with these $1 SHEIN press-on nails, and to be specific, these are only 88 cents because they're on sale. Each nail has a white flower on them with this pretty pink, hot pink, red cherry blossom color with a square medium length shape. First and foremost, I have to push back and trim my cuticles. Doing this step will help your nails look more cleaner and it'll look like you just got your nails done at the salon. That's always the goal, but little do people know that you did them yourself. And on top of that, everything is just super affordable. Doing this step first is going to make a huge difference. All of the products that I'll be using in this video will be linked down below, so you guys can have some easy access to get these products if you're missing any or if you don't have them. I do make a little bit of commission with my links, but it doesn't affect you at all as a customer. But either way, if you don't, I still really appreciate you guys watching this video because I love making these SHEIN press-on nails tutorial videos. You guys request them so often and I haven't done one in a while, so I was like, you know what, this is the perfect time to do so. Next, you're gonna want to file your nails, especially if you have length to them or if you don't like using a nail clipper. As you can see, I don't really have much to file, but I want them to grow into their natural shape. Once I decided which nails fit on my natural nails, I had put them on this nail stand. I'm gonna actually spice them up a bit because they are looking a little bit too plain for my liking. I'm going to be adding rhinestones on them, and I had got this rhinestone kit on Amazon. You can use this for shoes, clothing, items, whatever, because I really didn't feel the need to actually grab a nail rhinestone kit, and this is good for anything, whether it's nails, clothes, whatever. So I definitely recommend you guys getting this. This was only like under $10 maybe from what I remember. Either way, it will be linked below, but all I'm gonna do is add the rhinestones in the middle of the flowers. This glue is really good. It sticks onto anything, and I've put rhinestones on one of my mirrors and none of the rhinestones came off, and I've dropped the mirror a few times and none of the rhinestones came off. It comes with its own applicator and this white tool to actually stick them on more better because it's sticky, so you don't have to like grab it, you know. But these are how they look, and I really love how these nails are going to turn out. Super summery, super vacation-y, tropical. I'm all about that, even though fall is coming, but you know, who cares? Next, we're going to be using a gel base coat and a gel top coat. I specifically love this brand. I noticed it's been hard for me to find different gel nail polishes without them chipping or peeling, but with this brand, it's worked so good and it just lasts a really long time, and it just helps the nails look like acrylic nails. And this is another reason why I recommend using a nail stand instead of putting your hand underneath the UV light. It's cancerous. We want to avoid that. I leave them under there for about a minute, between a minute and 30 seconds. Then lastly, I'm adding the top coat, and I'm just going to be doing the same time under the UV light, a minute, between a minute and 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to be buffing my nails using the nail file just to make sure that the glue on them will last. If I skip this step, I know that my nails pop off really fast. And I make sure not to do them too rough because these are our natural nails and we don't want to damage them. Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite products to use for my nails, and it's this nail prep dehydrator. It'll help make the nails last long and dry up any oils that I have from my nails. And before you do this, and before actually buffing the nails, make sure you wash your hands. I forgot to mention that, but that's really important too. And this is how your nail is supposed to look. It looks extra sturdy versus how it looked before. So doing all of these steps is gonna make sure that your nails are gonna last you and look like you paid some good money for them. The nail glue that I'm using is this Kiss pink nail glue. I've been using it for the longest time, especially within the last 4 or 5 years. It will make your nails look more natural and it won't give your nails a white cast underneath. And it just makes more sense to use the pink nail glue since our natural nails have a very light pink tint on them no matter what shade you are. I know you guys can see what I'm doing, but if you guys are just listening, I'm just adding the nail glue onto my natural nail, then sticking the fake nail on my natural nail, and I'm pressing that on for about 10 to 15, between 20 seconds. After I'm done doing that, my hands feel so dry because I did not moisturize them after I washed my hands. So I'm just going in with this Clementine hand cream from Bath & Body Works. Then lastly, I'm going in with my cuticle oil that has a hibiscus smell to it. And I love how it has flowers inside, so it just matches the whole flower theme that's going on. And voila, this is how you do these SHEIN press-on nails at home. Can't believe these were only $1. If you guys love this video and you love content like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.